Ever wish you could understand what someone's thinking without them saying a word? Science says you kinda can. Today, we're diving into the real science of reading people. No magic, no psychic powers, just psychology, behavior research, and your own eyes.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Humans leak information constantly. Researchers like Knapp and Hwang found that nonverbal communication is a huge chunk of how we understand each other, though not the exaggerated 93% myth you may have heard. It's important, but context matters. Posture tells you where someone's attention and comfort lies. Leaning in usually signals engagement. Turning torso or feet away can signal disinterest. But remember, these are patterns, not verdicts. One gesture means nothing. Clusters matter. Matsumoto and Hwang emphasize this in nonverbal communication, science, and applications. Open palms, often linked to openness. Self-hugging or rubbing arms could mean discomfort. Increased fidgeting may reveal cognitive load. But again, context. Maybe they're just cold or their shirt is itchy. This is where Ekman's research gets fascinating. Micro-expressions last as little as 1/25th of a second and can reveal true emotional states. They're universal across cultures, but spotting them takes practice, and they tell you emotion, not the cause. Eyes aren't windows to the soul, but they do reveal workload and emotion. More blinking can mean stress. Pupils dilate with interest or low light. Gaze avoidance doesn't mean lying. Fry's research in detecting lies and deceit shows that myths about shifty eyes are unreliable. One gesture can mean 10 different things depending on the situation. Arms crossed on a warm day while arguing? Maybe defensive. Arms crossed in a freezer? Completely normal. Behavior plus context plus clusters equals accuracy. To understand someone, first observe their baseline, their typical mannerisms when relaxed. Deviations from that baseline reveal meaningful shifts. This makes your observations far more reliable than any body language hack online. So yes, you can read people without words, but only if you read patterns, not isolated gestures. What's one body language cue you've always been curious about? Tell me in the comments, and let's decode it together.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.